Oh, the odometer's on. Yay. 213,379. Awesome. Don't need that. Yeah, the misfire's getting worse than this. Ooh. I'm not gonna rev it up because it's not even my truck. Oh, that sounds. Yeah, I can pop the hood. Oh yeah. That sounds terrible. Now it's running bad idling now. It's definitely getting worse. See, it used to run good when it's sitting idle. Now it's not. Awesome, but it still runs. Starts right up. Well, of course. Well, there's the startup on this, guys. Now compare that flatbed to the 05 blue one. It runs awesome. And the temperature's still up a little on that one, but you don't even hear a lick of miss on this one. Yeah, this one runs awesome. I'll give it gas. Oh yeah, what a difference it is, man. This one runs so much better than the flatbed. I've always wanted to do a comparison, but since that thing's worse, I can do a good one. No hesitation in this one at all. Used to have a pretty good misfire because it had two dead injectors. My dad bought some injectors from an 06 and he rebuilt them. Been great ever since. Sometimes it runs rough when it's first start, but that's when it's a little colder out, but it doesn't run as rough as it did since we put the blue spring kit on that's for the fuel, because you always got to do it, I heard. It makes it run better, gets it like 15 miles to the gallon, or get it 15 miles better. Why am I doing this? I don't know. Pull. Yep, well there's that comparison. Now here's this one rolling up, idling. Now, listen to that one idle. Listen to this one idle. Oh yeah. So you guys tell a difference big time? So we'll roll up here. See, the temperature's up on this one. And it's running pretty bad. Okay, now we'll go back to the blue truck. Now, this one's a good runner. Awesome.